In experiment 7, we studied root locus design. The goal was to design a compensator for a plant of a transfer function with 1 over s squared minus 2s plus 2 with unity feedback, and design specification was a settling time of 2 seconds and overshoot between 5 and 25%. And in my initial attempt, we first computed the desired closed loop pole location, which is SO of 2 and plus minus J 3.4. But when we sketched the root locus of the uncompensated system, those locus poles were not on the locus. But that means a simple proportional controller cannot meet the specs. No solution exists. And adding compensators, so we added a zero compensator at negative 1.19. After computing the angle contribution at SO, we got negative 1.87.5 degrees, not an integer multiple of 180. So the angle condition will not satisfy. And we then used CISO tool in MATLAB and added two zeros at negative 3.45 and negative 3.72 with a gain of 2.1, and it lays exactly on the root locus. So with results with two zeros, the step response showed 18% overshoot and settling time within specs. The angle condition was finally satisfied, and zeros make the response faster, but it can increase overshoot and oscillation if placed too close to the poles. So without compensator, the original system couldn't meet the specs. Adding properly placed zeros solved the problem.